Hi, my name is Olivia, and for the past few years I've been on a travel adventure, from breathtaking trails to unforgettable safaris and lively cities. But as I explored different cultures and ways of living, I kept coming back to the same question. Could I live like this? Now I'm giving myself the space to find out. This is my cabin in Transylvania, Romania. What's it like to live a lifestyle so different from mine? Can I adapt to the change? And what will I learn from this experience? Okay, so starting with my room, I need to start with this bed. I need to take it out, break it apart. Not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna try my best. So let's begin. Oh, this is heavy. Where am I taking this? Maybe downstairs? Should I wrap it up in something? Should I cover it? Something? Unconventional idea, but I think I can cover the mattress with this massive bed sheet, so then it's not gonna be dirty if I just drag it down the stairs. Honestly, not a bad idea. Okay, moving on. Look at this bed. These things are just placed here. Actually, this would be good for my garden, raised bed garden, or whatever it's called. I don't know these things in English. Oops. Honestly, I'm such a clumsy person and I'm so bad at DIYs. My expectations for this project in general are not the best. Okay. Actually, I think these are great for my garden. That's a great find because I want to plant a mini raised bed garden, and I keep looking for things I can use because I don't have bricks and I also don't have wood like this. And actually this would be a great repurpose, so not bad. I found this fancy tool. This whole part was the problem when I was sleeping. I would wake up with it like this, and yeah, not safe. This is harder than I thought. Yay! This is gonna take me the whole day. Okay, great progress. Maybe I can unscrew them from here because this is way easier. Okay. I need a better tool, and I don't have anything that matches these screws. Why eternity later? I'm actually making progress, which is great, and I have some fun 80s music in the background, which really helps. And this is almost done as well. I made it. These are the last 2 bits. A reminder to not give up, because it's very rewarding to actually accomplish something. I'm kind of proud of myself. I know it's a very small thing I did, but these type of screws were just horrible, and then I did not have the right perfect tool for them. So yeah, this would have been easier with the actual proper tools. Oh. Actually have a surprising amount of patience for these things, apparently. And now the question is, can I move the wardrobe? So I just want to move this here somewhere in the middle of the room, and then I can plaster, is that the word? There are a few cracks, I want to clean the walls as well. Okay, so I plastered this part because I used that sandpaper and the previous paint fell off. I don't know if this is the thing to do, but that's what I did. Maybe tomorrow I can paint these two walls and sand and clean the other two walls, and then the next day I'll paint the rest and maybe do a second coat on this one. But now I need to wait for the plaster thing to dry. I don't know if that's what it's called.
I was using this ready-made finishing plaster.
But I find it's kind of fun so far. I might be doing a horrible job, but I'm having fun. Okay, so I tried to fix that corner, although there is a tool that's specific for the corner, and I didn't buy that today. I don't know why, I didn't really think that far. And I think it would be much better if I had that. The walls are not straight, I'm not gonna make them straight. I'm not aiming that far. And then yeah, here, there are a few cracks, so I tried to fix that and there as well. So I'm waiting for this to dry, and tomorrow I'm gonna apply the first coat of paint. I don't even want to think of the ceiling. That's another problem for another day. Yeah, this corner was really dirty behind the closet, and I cleaned it. Maybe tomorrow morning, because I do want to go on a hike every morning and exercise a little bit. Maybe I'll go get that tool. Although I could buy some of those things that you just glue here and you're not gonna be able to see it anymore. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not aiming for some professional job. I just want it to look a little bit better. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but this is a very pink. I also managed to carry the bed downstairs in the storage room, and then all the clothes are here and the mattress. It's a bit later. And I actually decided to attempt one coat on this wall today because I finished what I had to do on my computer, so I want to finish this as fast as I can, so why not? The sun is setting, so I don't have that much time left because this light is not great for painting. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna do 1 more hour of work maybe, and then finally call it a day. Pretty late. I applied one coat. Not the best job if you ask me, because some of the paint underneath is peeling off. I'll see what it looks like in the morning because now it's already dark, and take it from there. I don't know if I have enough paint though, and it's a specific color, so that might be a problem. Made a lot of progress today, so that's good. It already looks so much better. Again, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, much nicer color. It's cream. Good morning. It's another great day for painting. I'm just drinking my coffee in the garden. Actually, you should see my view.
This is so nice. It's so nice to just be out here. Please ignore the paint on my hands. Well, no wonder they call it slow living, because time really feels different. You don't really have much of a schedule. Yes, you have things to do, and if you have a proper farm, if you have animals, you are definitely working a lot, but no schedules, no calendars, no to-do lists, and it's nice. And back to my painting situation, I need to go back to the store and get a tool. I thought these days were going to be more about spending time in nature and hiking and all of that, but then they're about being in the room and painting it, it seems. So I want to get that. I saw it yesterday, and I think I need more paint as well. I don't think it's enough. I'm not going to be able to find the exact shade because it was one of those catalog shades, and I don't know if I can find it. Actually, maybe it's written somewhere on it, so I'll try to find that. I want to attempt the raised bed garden as well, although I don't have things like dried leaves and mulch, I think that's the name, and compost or anything like that, so I'll see what I can improvise. Maybe next year I'll be more organized. That reminds me, I planted a tree here somewhere, and I'm wondering if it's still alive. Please tell me it's alive. The one I planted 2 years ago, but it's here. It's alive. I don't know, there's something about planting things and seeing them thrive. It's very interesting that I grew up in an environment where I was just told that the whole point was to have a high status jobs, and life in the countryside was the failure in a way. That was just the environment I was in, and they just got everything so backwards. And this is actually a form of freedom and so much better for your mental health. And because I grew up in that environment, I never thought, would I want to live somewhere in the countryside? I never knew people were traveling full-time. I didn't really know backpacking was a thing, and I definitely didn't know living in a remote cabin would be a thing. I mean, this specific cabin is not remote, we have neighbors, but there is a lot of space in between the cabins. Anyway, the point is, I tried my whole life to just adapt to the one system I knew, which was you need status, you need to be liked by people, you need to have an honorable degree and a high status job. And my personality was not exactly that, because I learned quite late actually. I like a sense of freedom, I like variety, I don't like routine, I don't like authority, but I do get a lot of things done. It's just in a different way. It's not in a you have to do this at 9 a.m. If you allow me to create whatever I want to create and do my projects, and I organize them in a way that doesn't take away my freedom, that's when I do a lot of things. But my environment didn't have space for that, and I just realized some things quite late in life. But better late than never. And back to living at the cabin, I do see it. I do see myself spending more time in a place like this.
So everything that could have gone wrong went wrong. So one big problem is that the paint was completely separated, and I don't have a drill to mix it. And I tried to mix it by hand, but I did not do the best job. So then I have some things like this on the wall here and there. And then on top of that, some of the old paint, even though it looked fine when I used the sandpaper, starts peeling off when I'm trying to apply the new paint. Thankfully, it's not all of it, it's just in some spots. So I had to re-plaster that area. And yeah, anyway, it's more difficult than I thought. And it's really annoying that the paint is not the right texture and it's not separated properly. Oh, this is gonna take me an eternity. Okay, so I put the wardrobe back. I made a huge mess, but that's another problem. At least I cleaned them with the wardrobe. I think I'm just gonna leave these two walls like this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow to repair some things. Like this bit here. But other than that, I think I'm gonna leave these two walls as they are because I don't have enough paint. I want to clean everything up, and then I have the other two walls left. But I want to have everything cleaned up first. It's good enough, and it's much better than it was, so That's important. Now let's clean the mess up. I don't have a hoover. Okay, this part is cleaner. I left my things here because maybe I'll do this wall tomorrow, and I mean that part still needs to be cleaned, but honestly it's not too bad given the fact that my paint was not okay and nothing was okay. I don't know when exactly I'm gonna do the ceiling. I don't know, maybe I'll wait a bit. It's still better. I actually like this strawberry white chocolate combination. It's not that bad, just with the ceiling pink. But I want to paint it white. I ordered a bed. It's gonna come next week. So I'm happy I'm gonna have my nice room. This is the view of the garden. Well, I think this is enough painting for today. I'm just gonna leave it and continue tomorrow.